In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView and place a futures trade. We'll go through the full process from opening the trading panel to signing in to loading a futures chart and finally sending a market order. This is a very straightforward workflow, but it helps to understand what each part is doing so you can move through it confidently and avoid simple mistakes. To begin, open TradingView and look for the trading panel. This is where TradingView lets you connect to supported brokers and trading platforms directly from the charting interface. Once the panel is open, find Tradovate in the list of available connections and click Connect. This tells TradingView that you want to link your charting workspace with your Tradovate account so you can place trades from inside the platform. After that, you'll be asked to choose whether you want to use a simulation account or a live account. This is an important choice. Simulation is best if you want to practice, test order flow, or make sure everything is working before risking real money. Live is for actual trading with real funds. Select the one that matches your goal, then enter your Tradovate login credentials and continue. Make sure you're using the correct account type before moving on, especially if you switch between demo and live environments. Once you're connected, the next step is to load a futures chart symbol. In the chart search bar, enter the contract you want to trade, such as ES1, for the E-mini S&P 500 continuous contract, or NQ1 for the E-mini NASDAQ continuous contract. Loading the correct symbol is essential because the order you place will relate to the market shown on your chart. Take a second to confirm that the symbol and market are exactly what you intend to trade. With the chart loaded, move to the order entry panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you prepare the trade itself. Set your contract size carefully, since this determines how many futures contracts you're buying or selling. Even a small change here can significantly affect your position size and risk, so double check it before submitting anything. When you're ready, click Buy Market if you want to enter a long position at the current market price, or click Sell Market if you want to enter a short position at the current market price. Market orders are designed for immediate execution, so they will typically fill quickly based on current market conditions. And that's the full process for connecting Tradovate to TradingView and placing a futures market order.